In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dotted line in Canva. This simple yet effective technique can be a great way to enhance your designs, giving them that professional touch without any hassle. Whether you're creating posters, flyers, or even presentations, knowing how to make a dotted line will definitely come in handy. So let's dive in and get started. First, open up your Canva account and enter into the design you want to work on. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a variety of options there, including text, uploads, and importantly for us, elements. Click on Elements. This is where Canva stores all sorts of graphics, shapes, and lines that you can add to your designs. Now, after opening the Elements tab, go to the search bar. This is a powerful tool within Canva that allows you to quickly find what you're looking for. Type in lines into the search bar. Canva will then show you a wide range of lines to choose from: solid lines, dashed lines, and our target today, dotted lines. You'll notice different styles of lines appear, each with its own unique flair. Our goal here is to select a dotted line from the options available. Scroll through the results until you find a design that you like. There are normally various styles and thicknesses, so feel free to choose one that fits the aesthetic of your project. Once you have selected a dotted line, simply click on it and it will appear on your canvas. With your dotted line now added to the canvas, you can adjust its position and size to suit your needs. Click on the line to activate it. Once it's selected, you'll notice small handles on the edges. You can click and drag these handles to adjust the length or reposition the line wherever you want within your design. If you prefer a vertical line instead, you can also rotate it by grabbing the circular handle at the top center of the line. Furthermore, if you want to change the color to match your design better, look at the toolbar above the canvas. There you'll see color options that you can adjust to fit your scheme perfectly. Simply click on the color box and select from the palette that pops up, or enter a specific hex code if you have a particular shade in mind. And there you have it. You've successfully added a dotted line to your Canva design. This is a fantastic way to break up sections of content, draw attention to specific areas, or simply add an element of style to your project. So go ahead and experiment within Canva's versatile platform and let your creativity guide you. Thanks for watching and happy designing.